I'm gonna give you these free shaker loops, so let's walk through them right after the intro. Yo, the name is Kosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, so we are in the first studio and I'm gonna give these free shaker loops to you. How can you actually download this? Watch the video to the very end to know the 4 digits that you have to use to unzip the file. Alright, and you can actually click on the link in the description box to download this file for free. It's super simple. Now let's listen to the very first one on the list. Okay, crazy, man. Give the video a like if it helps you. Guys, give this video a like because I'm gonna give everything for you free. Crazy. You feel me? So if you are making Afrobeat or amapiano or any type of beat and you want shakers but you don't know how to create your own shakers, then you can actually drag any of these free shaker loops and continue making your beat. Nothing should stop you. Let's listen to this one. Crazy. Wow. Crazy, guys. Let's listen again. Kajira. Crazy. Guys, give the video a like if it's helping you. Leave a comment, subscribe if you are new here. I will be happy to know where you are watching me from. Please let me know. If you are watching me from US, if you are watching me from Canada, if you are watching me from South Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, any part of the world that you are watching this video, leave a comment. Let me know you guys. Alright, this goes out on the beat. Let's do more music. Alright guys, you can see there are a lot. Alright, I just chose only this one to show you, but this free shaker loops from God's Eye is almost 40 plus. You can actually get everything for free. If you have watched the video to the very end, then you know the password now, because the password had been shown on the screen. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description box, download the file. When you are extracting the file, it will ask you to confirm the password. First, input the password that you've seen in this video and it will ask you to confirm it again. So you confirm the password 2 times before the folder will open. Now that you've gained access to these shaker loops, how can you actually use shaker loops in your beats so that they will fit into the tempo and make them sound more interesting? Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. The name is Gosai. Let's do more music. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, leave a comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.